Hey, how's it going everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a certified pre-owned 2018 CLA 250 4MATIC. This one's black. Underneath the hood's a 2-liter 4-cylinder turbo pushing out 208 horsepower and 258 pounds of torque. For wheels we got 17-inch alloys. The tires are in good condition. A black MB-Tex interior. Panorama sunroof. Coming around back, we've got our CLA 250 4MATIC badging. So the all-season floor mats and new floor mats. This one does come with the premium one. It's going to give you a blind spot assist, Harman Kardon sound system, memory seats, power windows. Hopping in, we've got our steering wheel controls. This one also does come with smartphone integration, which is going to give you Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. Paddle shifters for extra performance. Our media display. Rear view backup camera. Aluminum trim. Hard keys for our media display. Heated seats. Dual climate controls. Our turn wheel for our infotainment center. This CLA has 29,867 miles. Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of the CLA 250, check out feldmanimports.com.